Good day to our dear televiewers and subscribers. I am Lorene R. Cuevas, Senior High School Teacher 2 of Cabanatuan City Senior High School, your teacher presenter in Grade 11 Math for DepEdR Teleturuan. Tonight, we will focus on logic. After the lesson, you are expected to be able to illustrate a proposition, symbolize a proposition, and distinguishes between simple and compound propositions. But before that, let us have a short review about the definition of logic. According to Oxford Dictionary, logic is a reasoning conducted or assessed according to a strict principle of validity. Logic is also defined as the study of reasoning, seeks the rules and principles of how people should reason correctly and rationally. While according to Study.com, mathematical logic is a subfield of mathematics with close connections to the foundations of mathematics, theoretical, computer science, and philosophical logic. The field includes both the mathematical study of logic and the applications of formal logic to other areas of mathematics. With that, let us proceed to our lesson proper. Our lesson for tonight is all about proposition. According to Aristotle, humans are rational animals. Rationality is said to be what distinguishes humans from animals. Reasoning can be classified as formal reasoning or formal deductive logic, and informal reasoning or critical thinking. Formal reasoning, it deals with the formal system of logic. For example, the analysis of the validity of an argument using the operations of formal logic. While in formal reasoning, it is concerned with the analysis of everyday reasoning, usually through the study of fallacies. What is fallacy? It is a kind of reasoning which is incorrect. It is sometimes unintentional because the person is not aware that his or her reasons for believing a claim is true are not logical, or is committed intentionally to deceive others whom an argument is directed to. Take a note. An argument is composed of premises, or a premise set, and conclusion. Formal reasoning focuses on the analysis of arguments and clarifies the relationship between the premises and conclusion. What is a proposition? It is a declarative sentence that is either true or false, but not both. If a proposition is true, then its true value is true, which is denoted by big letter T. Otherwise, its truth values is false, and it is denoted by the capital letter F. For example, P, everyone should study logic, may be read as P is the proposition everyone should study logic. Now, let us determine whether each of the following statement is a proposition or not. If a proposition, give its truth value. P. Mindanao is an island in the Philippines. Answer. This is a declarative sentence, and Mindanao is an island in the Philippines. Hence, P is a true proposition. Next, Q. Find a number which divides your age. The answer, this is an imperative sentence, and so it is not a proposition. Next, R. My seatmate will get a perfect score in logic exam. The answer, the statement is a declarative sentence, although the truth value will only be known after the logic exam. We know that it can be only either true or false. Next, S. Welcome to the Philippines. The answer, statement S is an exclamatory sentence, and so it is not a proposition. Next, P. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. The answer, obviously, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 is true mathematical sentence. But is it a declarative sentence? Yes! To see this, note that you may read this as the sum of 3 and 2 is 5, which is clearly a declarative sentence. Therefore, T is a true proposition. There you have it. We are about to have a short break for a few reminders from the studio. Please stay tuned for discussion for proposition.